Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Brother MFC-L2800DW. What I want to do is to show you how to reset the network. Go to the menu, scroll down to network, select OK. We'll show you network wired, WLAN, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct, email /iFast, web-based management, fast to server, global detect, network reset, then select OK. Then use this button to reset. Reboot, OK, yes or no, you select yes. Reboot, OK, please wait. The Wi-Fi light here that was on is now off. So this is how to reset the network. You can go back and reconnect this printer to Wi-Fi network. So this is how to reset the network. Thank you very much indeed. And you can see that the light here is off. So this printer is not connected to Wi-Fi network, and also it's not connected to Wi-Fi direct. So the network is reset completely. Thank you very much indeed.